went to Uganda this past summer through GlobeMed, which is a student-run nonprofit organization that I'm a part of. And our 3 tenets are to partner, learn, and ignite. And it's all centered around the idea of global health equity and creating baseline of health for every human around the world. So I was there on the partner tenet, which is focused on the partnership model that we have in terms of kind of promoting this idea of global health equity. So what that looks like is we have a partner organization in a developing area of the world, and for us it's in Uganda, and they're called Uganda Development and Health Associates, also called UDA. What we do there is we send interns every summer to work for the entire summer on capacity building, working with and under the staff that work UDA and allow it to function throughout the year. The projects that I was working on was the Sexual Health Education Project for youth. What we did there was we empowered youth to disseminate knowledge about sexual health, HIV and AIDS, other sexually contracted diseases in a way that wasn't taboo or wasn't offensive to the traditional culture of Uganda, because it is a more conservative state. The way that we did that is we trained peer educators both in and out of school. It was really important that we were able to reach youth that were able to be educated in school and youth that couldn't afford to be in school for a multitude of reasons. What that looked like is that eventually, once they gained the knowledge of HIV and AIDS, prevention methods, and other sexually contracted diseases, they would then be able to teach their peers about those topics in a way that was very culturally sensitive and empowering, and that in itself creates a generation of students and youth that are able to address the issues of HIV and AIDS and these other dangerous conditions so that it stops the spread of them. Another part of that initiative for sexual health education was the health boxes, and that was a very collaborative project. And what that looked like is we placed these very simple wooden boxes in every school, so just outside of a classroom. And the idea was that any student could submit a question that they had on sexual health or health in general. All they had to do was write their name and what school they were from. And at the end of each month, the UDA staff would collect those questions and then answer every single one of them confidentially and personally. I think we ended up getting around 60 questions per school. And we were working with 10 schools, so that's 600 questions. And the excitement and dedication the entire UDA staff had to answering those questions was so inspiring, and for me has been such a source of motivation for the work that I love to do.